It's gonna be about 100 something degrees today. So instead of using the AC at home, we gotta go to the mall for free AC. Los Cerritos Center. Deep tissue massager. Cool. It's like, oh, I'll buy 4. It's another really hot day, Labor Day weekend. It's gonna be 110 degrees, so gotta save some AC. Go to Brea Mall. So we're gonna take my drone on its maiden voyage. First time with my drone instructor. And we'll see what happens. Kobe Bryant through the years. Rest in peace, Mamba forever. Look at this mural. Nice. So every now and then I have to work in Torrance. And every time I work in Torrance, I take my lunch break to eat here at Tendon Tempura, Carlos Jr. They have some good food over here, so I'm excited. It's payday Friday, so what we do is just treat ourselves a little bit. So we're going to get shabu shabu at Broth. Oh, one of our favorite spots. Man, we eat a lot. Don't you ever just eat so much at an all-you-can-eat place, and then when you're walking back to your car, you're just waddling like a penguin? That's me. That's me. And like the penguin from Batman.